Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So with all of our walk around videos, I'm going to take you around and we're going to show you the overall condition and major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. Starting with the exterior, this vehicle is presented in the carbon Schwartz metallic. Alongside that, we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, including these very striking 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels onto the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe we have here for you. So the overall condition of both interior and exterior for this car are very nice indeed and is in very good condition throughout, all of which I'll try and highlight for you and show you around in my best during this video. So at the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 66 reg. You'll also be able to see the Angel Light and Xenon headlamps, and of course those very standout brand new alloy wheels sitting very nicely against the carbon Schwartz metallic paint. So the carbon Schwartz metallic paint is a very nice mixture, if you're unfamiliar with it, of a dark blue and black, and you'll see that as we go around the car. Down the side we've got the YNC Mperformance decals along with BMW's very nice gloss black air breathers. Should be coming through quite nicely. You'll already be able to see the Oyster Dakota leather we have on this vehicle, which once again is all in a very nice condition and works very nicely with the exterior colour. It comes in the front with both the heated and electric lumbar adjustment. Interior trim wise, you get the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. The vehicle comes equipped with that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and again we'll take a closer look at that very shortly. In the rear you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench and a central folding armrest, and again hopefully that's coming through okay on the camera. Everything is in very nice condition once more, and you'll also get the darkened M Sport headlining, which works very nicely in contrast. Once again showing you these very nice alloy wheels, and at the back of the car we added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser to this vehicle. And again, if you're not familiar with the Gran Coupe range, you get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals a very large boot space. Alongside, you can take out both partial shelves to again further aid in that space, and also split folding seats. Closing that down now, we'll make our way around to the other side of the car, where again you may just see the shift between the two colours with the carbon Schwartz metallic. So a little bit lighter at the rear end of the car and then darker towards the front. A very nice colour, especially when it's paired with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside of course that stunning interior colour we have on this vehicle. Moving on now, I'm going to go into the interior and show you around in a little bit more detail. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside the car. We're greeted first of all by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'm of course going to start the car up. Down here, first of all, is where we find the dual climate controls along with switches for our heated seats. And we'll run you through a couple of the features of this screen, starting with the navigation function, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. We've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, USB, AUX, and of course music collection, along with Bluetooth audio, and of course your Bluetooth telephone menu there as well. If we move back across over here, you'll be able to see that this vehicle's covered just over 99,000 miles, so we're nearly getting to the 100,000 miles mark. However, everything looks, feels and sounds exactly the same as if it had done half, if not more, less than that mileage. And hopefully you've been able to see that during this video, sorry. And to back all of that up, this vehicle does have full BMW service history, which again I can show you on screen in just a second, not before running you through all of the controls that are in this very nicely presented, still in fantastic condition, multi-function M Sport steering wheel, where you find the paddles for the 8-speed, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So starting at the bottom, that was its first service. I'm going to go all the way up to the top, of course, where as you can see, its most recent visit to BMW was at 87331, and that was for a brake fluid and vehicle inspection. The time before that, that was for rear pads, again just showing you a couple of examples. And then finally we move on to a full service, including all of the filters, which is of course very nice to know that the next service that's due on this car will be just a very basic oil and oil filter change. And of course it has had plenty of times being at BMW, being inspected, with the documentation to show that there on screen. So hopefully you've been able to enjoy this walk around video, and hopefully I've been able to show you that this vehicle is in fantastic condition throughout. Thank you for taking the time to watch it, and hopefully guys will see yourselves very soon. For further information, remember to check out the description box below, where it will link you through to our website, and if not, there is direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you once again, take care guys, bye bye.